What's up guys, I'm Dave Mead and this is Bow Torture Video 1. So in my last video you saw me shoot this bow at 234 feet per second, but still not good enough for me. So today what we're going to do is we're going to try and push this thing to the limit. I'm going to try and get as close as I can to 250 feet per second. I'm going to break a personal record, or I'm going to break this bow trying. Let's do this. Alright, let's warm it up a little. We're going to start out with 9 grains per pound and slowly work our way out to full draw. Start with about 3/4 draw first. Alright, now we go for full draw. Enough playing games, let's do this. Alright, so there's 200 feet per second. I knew it could do that already, and I finally was just getting out to full draw. But that's not our goal today. Our goal today is 250. So I'm going to knock some weight off of this arrow, and we're going to come back at this with about somewhere around between 6 and 7 grains per pound. And we're going to try and top what I did last week with this bow. Be right back. I want to stop for a moment. And in honor of Memorial Day, I want to say thank you to all of our servicemen and women, past, present, and future. Thank you for your service. All right, let's go for 250. This is so addicting, by the way. And the sinew is just beginning to work, so let's make it scream now and see what it can do. Here's the knock. I don't even know where the rest of the arrow is. Well, I guess we're not going after 250 today. Plus, there's a storm rolling in right now. I don't know if you can hear that. It's real hot and humid. It's about to storm. Anyway. The bow is totally fine, though. So she lives again for torture test 2. Whew. That was fun. That's all I got for you today. If you like this video, subscribe, stay tuned because I got more in store. Lots more testing coming up. See you all next time. Check out what I found laying all the way over here on this bale that I was shooting at. So it flung this top part of the arrow over here. Snapped it clean off. Oh well, I was just getting warmed up too, just getting out there to full draw with that lighter arrow. Next time,